I want to share with you my BISSELL sweeper here. It's a cordless vacuum. It is top heavy because the battery and all this, so it will not stand upright on its own. I've got it propped up in a special place when I charge it, so that way it won't fall over. Here's the controls. Tells you the battery life when it's on. If it's on high, it runs approximately 20 minutes. So if you do it on another level, it will last a little longer. Here's the canister. It is small, but bigger than some I've seen. Of course, the brushes. And our battery goes back here, and the power cord plugs in right underneath it, which makes it handy. Let me see if I want you to hear it. It isn't quiet. It is a little loud, but I love that it has a light. It does a great job at picking up. Here's the display. You can see I have a full battery charge because I got all of it lit. Here's the power. So it is loud, but it does a great job. It'll pick up large chunks such as like cat food or litter pieces if you have cats, and it does a great job at picking up pet hair. This is the best cordless vacuum I've had, and I've had almost a dozen, so this one does a great job.